Good morning, students. Very good morning to all of you, beta. So let's start today's work. But before moving ahead, tell me one thing. What did you learn yesterday? Yes, number names and numerals. What did you learn in number names? In number names, you learn how to write numerals in words, and in numeration, you learn how to write number names in numerals. So next to number names and numeration, we are going to start place value. What is the place value, beta? Place. In our life, everybody has their place and value also. In the same way, in a maths, numbers also have value. In numbers, we have a digits. 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. We have a numbers. Okay? So every digit in a number has its place value. Right, beta? So we'll start with the place value. What is the place value? Place value. Place value tells the place of a digit in a number. Right? What do you understand, beta? Place value tells the place of a digit in a number. कि number में किस digit की कौन सी place value है. Or you can say in another words, in a number, each digit has its value. Right? Let's take some examples. Right? For example, if we want to know the place value of any digit, so we will write like underline जो digit होगा उसकी हमने क्या बतानी है? Place value of underlined digit. Is it clear? So first I am taking here I will write number, right? So I am going to take first number is 647. Here I will put line here 4. First of all, write the places on the top: ones, tens, hundreds. Now tell the place value of underlined digit. Place value of underlined digit. Where 4 stands? 4 stands at tens place. It means what is the place value of 4? This is 4 tens. Right? और इसको हम न्यूमरल्स में भी लिखेंगे 4040. Clear? Second, I am going to take 930. फिर हम उसको अंडरलाइन करते हैं. सपोज आई अंडरलाइंड डिजिट 9. जो अंडरलाइन डिजिट होगा वी हैव टू राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दैट डिजिट. नाउ अंडरलाइंड इज अ 9. 9 stands at which place? 100 place. Beta, if you will write the places on the top, na, it will be very helpful to write the place value of the given digit. Right? So we'll write here 9 hundreds, or in a numerals we will write 900. Clear? One more example we can take. 765. I will underline 5. 5 stands at ones place. I will write 5 ones or 5. Is this clear to all of you? How to find the place value of the underlined digit? We need to put the places on the top first so that we can easily write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, beta? After place value, we are going to start. Next topic is face value, right? Face value. What is the face value? Yes, tell me the face value. Beta, face value means actual value of a digit in a number. It tells the actual value of a digit in a number. In a place value, beta, we did the place value of a digit, that where the digit stands. But in a face value, it tells the actual value of a digit in a number. For example, write the face value of underlined digit. Right? Here I will write number. Here I will write face value. Fine? First, I take example 297. Write the places on the top, but we have to tell the face value. So face value means actual value. So 9 की actual value क्या होगी? 9. 4 जो underline किया उसकी value क्या होगी? 4. So in 297, 9's face value is 9. 413 में